slow in the early morning rain, with no place to go. I'm on runway number 9, 6707 set to go. But I'm stuck here on the grass where the cold wind blows. And the wind on fast. Here there she goes, my friend. Oh, she's rolling out at last. Hear the mighty engine roar. See the silver wing on high. She's away westward bound. I'd above the clouds to fly. Where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. Shooting the light on my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's nowhere to get to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I can be. You jump the airplane like you can a freight train, so I'll just be on my way. The early morning rain.